Hey guys, it's Lyle here. Today we're out at 10 Mile Lake once again, and we have the Yamaha Viking 978 and the Skidoo Formula DLX 670. We ripped out here from Dunlop to 10 Mile Lake, and we're fishing for lake trout today. This is our second spot today. We've caught some fish already. Hopefully we're going to catch some more. We also have a little bit of a lunch today. We made some delicious wraps. We have a special guest today, Tully. Hey, Tully. Yeah. Good girl. Garrett here to show what we're fishing with.
Got the Ion R1.
Beautiful. I'll post a review up here for the Ion R1 ice auger. Gone.
How big was he?
Small. Do you want to keep any?
Yeah, we can keep him.
You want to keep this one?
Sure, that's a good size eater.
Come on, stop.
I know they're slippery.
Look at the sounds, eh?
Yeah, he's burping.
First one of the day.
Hold him vertical or horizontal. Sorry.
Squirmy.
I know.
There we go. First lake trout of the day.
Ah, that's a good one. On the rattler too. On the rattle bait.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Yeah, that's all right. Ta-da!
Ooh, oh, that's a nice size. Oh, shit.
Did you just say that on camera?
Did you see that?
Yeah, you lost her. Oh well, I got it on video.
Wah, wah.
Oh yeah, little laker. Wow,
Nice.
that's a nice lake trout. Oh, nice. Geez, that's a nice one. Oh, he swallowed that. Wow, nice and dark.
Yeah. Keeping her then? That'd be a good eater.
Yeah, that one would be a good eater. Yeah, I'll keep him.
Just grab your...
Pliers. Wow. Ooh, come on.
wait, we have a lot more fish to catch. First, I just have to mention my cameras both died. Both the cameras I brought out, I had a couple batteries for them, all of them just died. My dad had some footage of when him and my brother went out, so I mixed that in there. But also, just before we finish up, I have some fish that we are going to be cooking. That's going to be right at the end of the video. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be a delicious fish.
Next one.
Yeah.
So we're back in the kitchen here, and I'm just going to show you the quick ingredients that we're using for cooking the lake trout. Here we have just onion and some slabs of butter. We also have a whole bunch of lemon here. There we are. Yeah. So we're going to wrap that up, and we're going to put that in the oven at 400. Yeah, it gets loose. There we go, got the onions and the lemon and the butter all in there. Try taking a piece off. Looks pretty good there. That's good. On the side, we just have this pasta with tomatoes and feta cheese, a little bit of Parmesan cheese. It actually goes really good with the lake trout. So that's everything for the video today. Thanks for watching.